Something must have gone wrong in my brain. Got your chemicals all in my veins. Feeling all the highs, feeling all the pain, yeah. Let go of the wheel, it's a bullet lane. Now I'm seeing red, not thinking straight. Blurring all the lines, you intoxicate. Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend and you're all I need, all I need. Yeah, you're all I need. It's you, babe. I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the thing. Just wanted if you, I knew I'd never be the same. It's you, babe. I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the blame. Just wanted if you, I knew I'll never, ever, ever be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. Sneaking in LA when the lights are low. All for one touch, I could overdose. You say stop playing it safe. I wanna see you lose control. And just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend and you're all I need, all I need. Yeah, you're all I need. It's you, babe. I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the blame. Just wouldn't if you, I know I'd never be the same. It's you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the blame. Just wondering if you knew I'll never, ever, ever be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. It's you, babe. Yeah, I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the blame. Just wondering if you, I knew I'll never be the same. It's you, babe. I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're the blame. Just wondering if you, I knew I'll never, ever, ever be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. Be the same.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this cover of Never Be the Same. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for future covers. And don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps out a lot so I can continue to make these videos for you guys. Thanks again so much guys. Have a great week. Until next time.